This step-by-step guide introduces 3 independent professional account types: partners, pesticide users, and traces registration for import and export activities. Operating within farming, these specialists ensure animal, plant, and organic trade follow department standards. To register a partner, pesticide user, and traces account, open your web browser and go to www.myagfood.ie. On the home page, find the login section and click the register link to start. You can also click the main menu and from the drop-down, click the register for a MyAgFood account link. This brings you to the MyAgFood registration page. Here you will find details of the 3 account types for professional providers. From here you can set up a partner, pesticide user, and a trade control and expert system account. The partner's account type is for approved medical professionals. It is specifically reserved for private veterinary practitioners and commercial livestock testing laboratories. The partner's account type should not be confused with the joint or registered farm partnership account used by farmers. To ensure a correct setup, you should contact your regional veterinary office for the proper registration procedures. The Sustainable Use Directive requires all professional sprayer operators applying professional plant protection products to have a pesticide user account, regardless of application method or quantity. This applies to employees, technicians, and self-employed individuals across agricultural and non-agricultural sectors. Farmers applying non-professional sprays on their own land are exempt. To register, you must complete formal training and provide certificates, your PPS number, email, and mobile number. See the registration guide for instructions and acceptable certificates. The traces account type is for international logistics. It is mandatory for managing imports or exports moving between Ireland, EU, and non-EU countries. The Traces portal is used to track the commercial movement of live animals, animal products, food, feed, and plants to ensure rapid biosecurity tracing and to clear border controls. To register for Traces, please contact your regional veterinary office for more information. Completed applications can be sent by email to brexitregistration@agriculture.gov.ie.